Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away.
Oh, how cute. How cute.
It's like a fountain.
Oh my God. Get.
He loves it in there. He grew it.
NANI?! Sleep call.
I'm sorry to have to tell you guys this, but I actually need that laptop, so you guys are gonna have to get up and move. Do you mind moving over, please? I know you're napping, but I need this. I guess not.
Claw is our master. Claw chooses who will go and who will stay. I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends. I go on to a better place.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the fuck is this?
Okay, you just want me to follow your finger, right? Okay, here we go. Oops, oops. My bad, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to knock that down. Oh, man, my tail hit that. That was my tail. Sorry about that. Oh, my tail hit another one. Dang.
I swear to God, if she does that, oh, hell no! Back off! Ooh, yeah, fish is looking pretty good. I think I can, get one of these bad boys. Oh! Oh!
Been chasing it all night, damn it. Do something with it.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick.
Your finger in your dog's face and see what they do.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? I want waffle fries.
Oh my god, ban? No.
O kurwa!
I just been doing some painting and I thought, where's Sizzle? I don't know what that is. Oh my god! I caught you! Absolutely no! Naughty girl!
What's the matter? Are you hungry? Are you starving? Okay, it's time to eat. Okay, come on.
Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.